Picture yourself standing atop a centuries-old sea fortress, watching the Baltic waves crash against granite shores while Helsinki's white cathedral gleams in the distance. Planning 3 days in Helsinki but overwhelmed by choosing between UNESCO fortresses, underground rock churches, and some of the Nordic's most innovative design districts? This video reveals exactly how to experience the best of Finland's capital without missing the secret islands locals escape to or the one restaurant mistake that'll cost you 30 euros for mediocre reindeer. This is how to spend 3 days in Helsinki. Let's dive in. Day 1. Get your bearings. Start your Helsinki adventure early at Senate Square, the city's neoclassical heart. Arrive around 9 a.m. to catch the Helsinki Cathedral in perfect morning light without crowds. The iconic white structure with its green domes charges 10 euros for summer admission, 8 euros in winter, but offers stunning harbor views. Spend roughly 45 minutes exploring both the cathedral and square, photographing the Alexander II statue and admiring the University of Helsinki's yellow main building. The square represents Russian Imperial architecture at its finest, designed by Carl Ludvig Engel in the 1820s. Walk 5 minutes to Market Square for Finland's most authentic morning experience. Market Square buzzes with local vendors selling everything from salmon soup to cloudberry jam. Grab a traditional Finnish breakfast here. Try the salmon soup for around 10 to 12 euros, or fresh berries with local bread for about 6 euros. The market operates daily from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. year-round, with heated tents during winter months. Don't miss the traditional handicrafts section, where you can find authentic Finnish mittens, wooden items, and reindeer leather products. After fueling up, take the 15-minute ferry to Suomenlinna Fortress. The HSL ferry departs every 15 to 30 minutes from Market Square and costs the same as any Helsinki public transport ticket, around 3.20 euros for Zones AB. Pro tip: buy the HSL day ticket for 9 euros on the HSL app. It covers all your transportation needs, including this ferry. The ferry ride itself offers spectacular views of Helsinki's harbor and surrounding islands. Suomenlinna Fortress is a UNESCO World Heritage Site sprawling across 6 islands. Plan 3 to 4 hours exploring the fortress walls, museums, and walking trails. The fortress offers incredible views back to Helsinki and houses several museums, including the main Suomenlinna Museum, 8 euros entry, and various artillery exhibits. During summer, pack a picnic and enjoy lunch on the fortress walls. There's nothing quite like eating while gazing across the Baltic archipelago. Follow the blue walking route for the most comprehensive fortress experience, stopping at King's Gate, the oldest structure dating to 1753 to 1754. Return to Helsinki around 3 p.m. and head to the design district in Punavuori. This compact area houses over 200 design shops, galleries, and studios within walking distance. Browse Finnish design classics at Artec, founded by legendary architect Alvar Aalto, or discover emerging designers at smaller boutiques along Uudenmaankatu and Fredrikinkatu. Many shops stay open until 6 p.m. on weekdays. Visit Marimekko's flagship store for iconic Finnish patterns, or explore vintage Finnish glass at specialized antique shops. End your day with dinner at Restaurant Savota overlooking Senate Square. This traditional Finnish restaurant serves authentic dishes like reindeer roast, around 30 to 35 euros, and fresh Arctic char, around 35 to 37 euros. Book ahead, especially for window seats with cathedral views. The restaurant captures old Finland's atmosphere with rustic decor and traditional cooking methods, including a menu featuring game meats, forest mushrooms, and traditional preservation techniques. But before you book that expensive helicopter tour everyone talks about, Day 2 reveals the secret viewpoint that offers even better perspectives for free. Day 2. Underground and above-ground wonders. Begin Day 2 at Tempeliaukio Church, Helsinki's famous rock church, arriving when it opens to avoid crowds. This architectural marvel, carved directly into solid granite, features natural lighting through a copper dome and exceptional acoustics that host regular concerts. Entry costs 8 euros for adults, with free admission for under 18-year-olds. The church opens daily, but hours vary, so check their website the night before. Allow 45 minutes for your visit, noting how the exposed rock walls create natural art, and the ingenious design allows snowmelt to flow away naturally. Next, walk 10 minutes to the Natural History Museum and nearby Parliament House area. Even if you skip the museum interior, the surrounding Arkadianmäki Park offers excellent city views and a peaceful respite. The area showcases Helsinki's architectural variety, from neoclassical parliament buildings to modern glass structures. The Parliament House itself, completed in 1931, offers free guided tours on specific days. Check their website for availability. For lunch, head to Old Market Hall, Vanha Kauppahalli on the harbor. This 1888 market hall houses traditional Finnish food vendors alongside international options. Try E. Eriksson for authentic fish soup, around 12 to 15 euros, or sample local delicacies like Karelian pastries, 3 to 4 euros each. The hall operates Monday through Saturday until 6 p.m. Don't miss Story Restaurant inside the hall for elevated Finnish cuisine, or grab coffee and Finnish pastries at one of several cafes within the historic building. Afternoon brings Helsinki's cultural crown jewel, the Atheneum Art Museum, home to Finland's largest art collection, including works by Helene Schierfbeck and Akseli Gallen-Kallela. Entry costs 22 euros for adults, 20 euros online, with free admission on specific days: February 20th, April 24th, August 14th, and December 11th, 2025. Allocate 2 hours minimum. The collection beautifully illustrates Finnish cultural evolution through art. The museum houses the world's largest collection of Finnish art, alongside international masters like Van Gogh, Cézanne, and Chagall. Following the museum, explore Esplanadi Park and Street, Helsinki's green corridor linking the harbor to the city center. This tree-lined promenade features street performers, outdoor cafes, and the perfect atmosphere for afternoon coffee. Stop at Café Fazier for traditional coffee and pastries, around 8 euros total. This Finnish institution has been serving locals since 1897. During summer, outdoor cafes extend into the park, creating a continental European atmosphere in Nordic surroundings. As evening approaches, experience authentic Finnish sauna culture at Kotiharjun Sauna, established in 1928. This traditional public sauna costs around 12 euros for adults and offers the full Finnish experience with birch branches and post-sauna beer. Alternatively, try Alice Sea Pool, where outdoor saunas overlook the harbor, 14 euros for adults. The contrast between hot sauna and cool Baltic air epitomizes Finnish wellness culture. Many locals end sauna sessions with a plunge into the Baltic Sea, even during winter months. For dinner, choose between 2 exceptional options: Grun for innovative Nordic cuisine, tasting menu around 158 euros with wine pairing 122 euros, or Seahorse for traditional atmosphere and fried Baltic herring, mains around 23 to 32 euros. Grun requires advance booking, while Seahorse accepts walk-ins but expect queues. Seahorse has welcomed everyone from jazz legend Dizzy Gillespie to local dock workers since 1933, maintaining its authentic working-class atmosphere. Day 3, hidden gems and island hopping. Day 3 ventures beyond mainstream attractions to Helsinki's secret spots. Start at Valisaari Island, reached by seasonal ferry from Market Square, May through September. This former military island offers pristine nature, contemporary art installations, and spectacular views without Suomenlinna's crowds. Ferry tickets cost around 12 euros return through FRS Finland, with services running multiple times daily. The 20-minute ferry ride passes through Helsinki's stunning archipelago, showcasing dozens of smaller islands and traditional summer cottages dotting the coastline. Spend your morning hiking Valisaari's nature trails and exploring abandoned fortress structures. The island features several kilometers of walking paths through untouched forests and along rocky coastlines. During summer 2025, the island hosts Helsinki Biennial contemporary art installations, creating unique intersections between nature and culture. Abandoned bunkers and military buildings from both Swedish and Russian periods create an atmospheric backdrop for exploration. Pack water and snacks, as the island has limited facilities compared to Suomenlinna. Return to Helsinki around noon and head to Kallio district, the city's bohemian heart. This former working-class area now pulses with independent shops, vintage stores, and local eateries. Unlike tourist-focused areas, Kallio remains authentically Finnish. Browse Degelius music for vinyl records spanning from Finnish rock to international classics, or explore thrift shops along Hementi Street. Visit Siltasaari Flea Market on weekends for genuine vintage finds and local handmade crafts. The district's numerous street art murals create an open-air gallery experience throughout your walk. For lunch in Kallio, try Shelter for modern Scandinavian cuisine, mains 16 to 22 euros, or Baskeri and Basso for casual bistro fare, mains 14 to 18 euros. Both restaurants emphasize local ingredients and represent Helsinki's evolving food scene without tourist markup. Shelter particularly excels at seasonal vegetable dishes and innovative fish preparations using Baltic catch. Afternoon exploration leads to Sibelius Park and Monument, honoring Finland's greatest composer. The abstract steel monument, completed in 1967, creates musical sounds when wind passes through its pipes. The surrounding park offers peaceful walking paths, and locals often bring picnics during warmer months. Entry is free, and the park provides excellent photo opportunities. The monument consists of 600 hollow steel pipes welded together, weighing 24 tons and standing 8.5 meters high. Continue to Suurasaari Open Air Museum, accessible by bridge from the mainland. This island museum showcases traditional Finnish architecture with historic buildings relocated from across Finland. Summer admission costs 12 euros for adults, while winter access to the island remains free though buildings close. The museum illustrates rural Finnish life from the 18th to 20th centuries, featuring traditional farmhouses, churches, and a working windmill dating to 1757. Evening entertainment centers on Helsinki's vibrant nightlife. For drinks with views, visit Skywheel Helsinki, 14 euros for adults, for panoramic city perspectives, then head to rooftop bars like a Telgi bar atop Hotel Torni for cocktails with a view. Cocktails around 15 euros. The Skywheel offers 15-minute rotations with climate-controlled gondolas, providing 360-degree views across Helsinki and its archipelago. Conclude your Helsinki adventure with dinner representing the city's international influences. Farang offers exceptional Southeast Asian fusion, tasting menu around 65 euros, while Naka presents refined Scandinavian cuisine using Finnish ingredients, mains 24 to 32 euros. Both restaurants require reservations and represent Helsinki's position as a Nordic culinary capital. Noka particularly emphasizes sustainable local sourcing, with ingredients traveling from Lapland forests and nearby Baltic waters. For budget-conscious travelers, explore local supermarkets like K-Market or S-Market for groceries, or try lunch buffets at shopping center restaurants for around 10 to 12 euros. Many museums offer free entry on specific days, and Helsinki's compact size makes walking a viable option for most attractions. Student discounts apply at many venues with valid international student ID. Essential practical information. Transportation. Helsinki's HSL public transport system covers buses, trams, metro, trains, and ferries. Single tickets cost 3.20 euros for zones AB, covering most attractions, while day tickets range from 9 euros, AB zones, to 12 euros, ABC zones including airport. Purchase tickets via HSL app, contactless payment, or machines. The HSL card costs 5 euros and allows value top-ups. Airport trains connect Helsinki-Vantaa to city center in 30 minutes using ABC zone tickets. Accommodation, budget options include Euro Hostel, 25 to 40 euros per night, and Cheap Sleep Helsinki, 20 to 35 euros per night. Mid-range choices feature Hotel Helka, 100 to 150 euros per night, and Scandic Siemenkenta, 120 to 200 euros per night. Luxury options include Hotel Camp, 250 to 400 euros per night, and Hotel St. George, 300 to 500 euros per night. Book central locations in Kamppi, Punavuori, or near Central Station for easy attraction access. Food. Restaurant meals range from 15 to 25 euros, casual to 30 to 50 euros, upscale, with fine dining exceeding 80 euros. Lunch buffets cost 10 to 15 euros. Coffee and pastries average 6 to 8 euros. Supermarket shopping significantly reduces costs, with major chains including K-Market, S-Market, and Lidl. Weather and packing. Summer, June through August, brings 15 to 25 degrees Celsius temperatures and long daylight hours. Pack layers and light rain gear. Winter, December through February, features -5 to 5 degrees Celsius with potential snow. Bring warm clothing and waterproof boots. Spring and autumn require transitional clothing with emphasis on rain protection. Mistakes to avoid. Transportation blunders. The biggest Helsinki mistake involves underestimating public transport efficiency. Many visitors waste money on taxis when HSL's integrated system costs fraction of the price and reaches everywhere efficiently. Download the HSL app before arrival and purchase day tickets covering your entire itinerary. Restaurant timing errors. Restaurant timing errors prove costly. Many Helsinki establishments close Sundays or have limited Monday hours. Traditional restaurants often close between lunch and dinner service. Always verify operating hours, especially during off-season months when schedules change dramatically. Over-planning mistakes. Over-planning mistakes include trying to see everything in limited time. Helsinki rewards slow exploration over rushed sightseeing. Choose quality over quantity. Spending adequate time at fewer attractions creates more memorable experiences than superficial visits to many locations. So, there you have it. 3 days that'll give you both the Instagram shots and authentic Helsinki experience. This is Explorer's Radar, where we uncover the best travel experiences. Which day appeals to you most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped with your Helsinki planning. Check out the next video for another incredible destination worth adding to your travel list. See you there!